வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் வைரவ பழனிசாமி. நம்ம பல விதமான ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர்ஸ் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். அந்த வகையில் இந்த எபிசோடில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி குரூப் 1ல் 2022 கேட்கப்பட்ட பொது அறிவு கேள்விகள். ஆக்சுவலாக அந்த கேள்விகளில் 5வது ஒரு சாய்ஸ் நன் ஆஃப் தி அபவ்னு ஒரு சாய்ஸ் இருக்கும். நம்ம தேவையில்லை அப்படிங்கிறதுனால, ஏன்னா கண்டிப்பாக நன் ஆஃப் தி அபவ் ஆன்சர் நம்ம கொடுக்க போகிறதில்ல. அதனால் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், அந்த சாய்ஸை எடுத்துகிட்டு 4 சாய்ஸ் மட்டும் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். சரிங்களா? சரி, முதல் கேள்வி. The primary contaminant included in cigar smoke is A. Carbon monoxide and dioxide, B. Carbon monoxide and nicotine, C. Carbon monoxide and benzene, D. Dioxin and benzene. சரியான பதில் C. Carbon monoxide and benzene. இரண்டாவது கேள்வி. When a ball is projected towards, there is an increase in its 1. Potential energy, 2. Momentum, 3. Kinetic energy. A. 1 only, B. 1 and 2 only, C. 2 only, D. 2 and 3 only. சரியான பதில் A. 1 only. மூன்றாவது கேள்வி. Alternations in the environment represents selective pressures upon the population to which it must adjust. This statement infers that A. Organisms will increase in population in a changed environment. B. Organisms which fail to adjust to the changed environment must vanish. C. Organisms will alter their morphology to adapt to changes in the environment. D. Organisms will change the environment under selective pressure. சரியான பதில் B. Organisms which fail to adjust to changed environment must vanish. நான்காவது கேள்வி. The enzyme involved in unwinding of DNA is A. Telomerase, B. Helicase, C. Polymerase, D. Lipase. The correct answer is B. Helicase. Fifth question. The first step in the seed germination is imbibition of water, which induce the A. Stimulation of plumule, B. Breaking dormancy, C. Growth of radicle, D. Resumes metabolic activities. The correct answer is D. Resumes the metabolic activities. Sixth question. Which is the stronger acid, phenol, due to the presence of 3 same electron withdrawing groups? 1. O-toluic acid, 2. benzoic acid, 3. salicylic acid, 4. picric acid. A. 3 only, B. 1 only, C. 2 and 4 only, D. 4 only. The correct answer is D. 4 only. Seventh question. Which is the one considered to be more important to study the history of science is A. Antiquarian curiosity, B. Logical reasoning, C. Scientific knowledge, D. Conjunction and philosophy. The correct answer is D. Conjunction and philosophy. Eighth question. Which one of the following phenomena cause adverse changes in global climatic pattern and wreak havoc worldwide in the form of floods and droughts? A. Carbon dioxide, B. El Nino, C. Tropical cyclones, D. Itai. The correct answer is B. El Nino. Ninth question. Match the following. Polyethylene glycol, herbicide, BT cotton, stress tolerance, glyphosate, insecticide, bromelain, cell fusion. So the choices, you can go directly as usual D. That is 4, 3, 1, 2. Polyethylene glycol is a cell fusion, BT cotton, insecticide, glyphosate, herbicide, bromelain, stress tolerance. 10th question. Which is the following statement is or correct? Nanobots are 1. Robots that carry out very specific function at nanoscale level. 2. They can be injected into bloodstream. 3. They can be used to measure toxic elements in environment. 4. They are very cheap to produce. A. 1, 2 and 4. B. 1, 3 and 4. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer is C. 1, 2 and 3. 11th question. Dash was the first mission to be operationalized under the National Action Plan on Climatic Change, NAPCC. A. Solar Cities Program. B. National Solar Mission. C. Solar Green Building. D. Development of Solar Cities. The correct answer is B. National Solar Mission. 12th question. Which biodiversity park in India was announced as the first other effective area-based conservation measures OECM site? A. Tilpath Valley Biodiversity Park. B. Aravalli Biodiversity Park. C. Yamuna Biodiversity Park. D. Adayar Eco Park. The correct answer is B. Aravalli Biodiversity Park. 13th question. Which of the following are correctly matched? 1. KVK Kisan Vigyan Kendra. 2. SAME Sub-Mission on Agriculture Extension. 3. NSDA National Skill Development Agency. 4. Atma Agriculture Technology Management Agency. A. 1, 2 and 3. B. 2, 3 and 4. C. 1, 2 and 4. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer is B. 2, 3 and 4. 14th question. How many number of Ramsar sites are identified in India till 15th August 2022? A. 82, B. 78, C. 75, D. 70. The correct answer is C. 75. 15th question. PM Gati Shakti is a transformative approach for economic growth and sustainable development which focuses on A. Educational development. B. Multimodal connectivity. C. Empowerment of SHGs. D. Environment development. The correct answer is B. Multimodal connectivity. 16th question. Which one of the following is not an objective of Union Government's Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme? 1. Prevention of gender-based sex selective elimination. 2. Ensuring survival and protection of a girl child. 3. Ensuring education and participation of girl child. 4. Creating a fixed deposit in the name of the girl child concerned. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 3 only. D. 4 only. The correct answer is D. 4 only. 17th question. Read the list given below carefully and dignitaries and find out among them the correct hierarchical order in respective of their rank and precedence. Normally it is otherwise called its protocol. 1. Chief Election Commissioner of India. 2. Cabinet Secretary. C. Chief of Army Staff. 4. Deputy Speaker Lok Sabha. Answers are A. 4, 3, 1 and 2. B. 4, 3, 2 and 1. C. 1, 4, 2 and 3. D. 1, 3, 4 and 2. Correct answer is C. 1, 4, 2 and 3. So, யாரு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அப்படின்னா Chief Election Commissioner, followed by Deputy Speaker Lok Sabha, then Cabinet Secretary, then Chief of the Army Staff. 18th question. Which is the international coalition of solar resource-rich countries that are collectively addressing common challenges on solar applications? A. International Solar Energy Society, ISES. B. International Solar Alliance, ISA. C. International Renewable Energy Agency, IRENA. D. International Energy Agency, IEA. The correct answer is B. International Solar Alliance. 19th question. Arrange the following Indian women Olympic medal winners in chronological order. 1. Sania Nehwal. 2. Lavlina Borgohain. 3. Sakshi Malik. 4. Karnam Malleswari. A. 2413, B. 1423, C. 4132, D. 4123. The correct answer is C. 4132. 20th question. Palmer index is associated with which of the following natural disaster? A. Earthquake. B. Volcano. C. Drought. D. Flood. The correct answer is C. Drought. 21st question. Match the following and choose the correct option related to ISRO. URSC, ISRO's Virtual Space Museum. ITTP, ISRO Satellite Center. Spark, Space Science for School Students. UVICA, Technical Training for ISRO Staff. The correct answer is C. That is 2413. That is URSC, ISRO Satellite Center, ITTP, Technical Training, ISRO Staff. Spark, ISRO's Virtual Space Museum. Then finally UVICA. So that is for the Space Science for School Students. 22nd question. On April 10, 1802, the Great Trigonometrical Survey of India commenced its own from Dash City. A. Delhi, B. Kolkata, C. Bombay, D. Madras. The correct answer is D. Madras. 23rd question. Caroline Petrosi, Morton Meldal, and Barry Sharpless won the 2022 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for A. for development of click chemistry and bi-orthogonal chemistry. B. for discoveries concerning the genomes of extinct hominids and human evolution. C. for the development of asymmetric organocatalysis. D. for the development of a method for genome editing. The correct answer is A. for the development of click chemistry and bi-orthogonal chemistry. 24th question. Match the winner of the medal in Commonwealth Games 2022 with their sport. Player and sport. Sharat Kamal, boxing. Lakshya Sen, weightlifting. Mirabai Chanu, table tennis. Nigat Zareen, badminton. The correct answer is B3421. Sharat Kamal, table tennis. Lakshya Sen, badminton. Mirabai Chanu, weightlifting. Nigat Zareen, boxing. 25th question. Which one of the following indicator is not used to calculate Human Development Index HDI? A. Life expectancy. B. CPI. C. Education Index. D. Per capita income. The correct answer is B. CPI. 26th question. Nambikkai Inayam NI, a Tamil Nadu government project about A. statewide blockchain infrastructure. B. source of resident data for Tamil Nadu. C. unified access to e-services of different government departments. D. providing professional resources and training to decision makers. The correct answer is A. statewide blockchain infrastructure. 27th question. Which is correct? 1. HYV, high yielding varieties. 2. MSP, maximum support price. 3. PDS, public distribution system. 4. IPM, integrated pesticide management. A. 1, 2 and 4 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 3 and 4 only. The correct answer is B. 1 and 3 only. 28th question. கலைஞரின் அனைத்து கிராம ஒருங்கிணைந்த வேளாண் வளர்ச்சி திட்டம் aims at 1. increasing the cultivable area. 2. Bringing fallow land under cultivation. 3. Changing the crop pattern with the introduction of new crops. 4. Augmenting water resources. A. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. B. 2, 3 and 4 are correct. C. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. The correct answer is C. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. 29th question. Match the following. 1997 அனைத்து கிராம அண்ணா மறுமலர்ச்சி திட்டம். 1998 வருமுன் காப்போம் திட்டம். 2006 சமத்துவபுரம். 2009 நமக்கு நாமே திட்டம். The correct choice is A. 3, 4, 2, 1. 1997 வரும் சமத்துவபுரம். 1998 நமக்கு நாமே திட்டம். 2006 வருமுன் காப்போம் திட்டம். 2009 அனைத்து கிராம மறுமலர்ச்சி திட்டம். 30th question. Which among the following is the scheme of Government of India for ensuring safety and dignity of sanitation workers? A. Smile. B. Namaste. C. Amber. D. West. The correct answer is B. Namaste. மீதி உள்ள இதை நம்ம இன்னொரு எபிசோடில் பார்ப்போம். மிக்க நன்றி. தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்கள் போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.